consolidators in Midwest in a glittering and well-attended event recently at Ashiana Banquet in Downers Grove, a southwest Chicago suburb. Air India consolidators and other travel agents were invited for the grand annual award ceremony. During these extremely trying financial times and what seems like perpetual bad news, it's always a pleasure to hear of those working even harder. Air India recognized and honored some of its top-selling agents last week for their exceptional efforts. Air India's Midwest manager Rishikant Singh says their agents are the backbone and are an integral part of Air India's success. He also gave us insight that Air India is soon going to be a Star Alliance member.
Air India, of course, is embarking on a new journey altogether with Star Alliance, an alliance which is the biggest and definitely the most broad-based. It should give our customers reach to any corner of the world seamlessly. And when I say seamlessly, it means you can view availability, you can view fares, you will have common fares, you can check in any station in the world to any other station across 3 airlines altogether. So right at the time of boarding in the first place, you should be able to even get 3 boarding passes. So you know you're traveling, what flight, what time, what terminal, and even probably selection of seat right till the end. That kind of reach that Alliance brings, I think, is, as you said, an absolutely new journey for Air India, and it's a new journey to an extent for all Indians who are connected to us.
For years, Air India has taken pride in its stellar service to customers. While most airlines have cut food out of their budget almost entirely, for Air India, the menu is still a top priority and pleasure.
The food is always been our specialty. It comes from the heart. We serve Indian cuisine, not that we don't serve continental. We do serve continental. We serve, in fact, 23 different types of meals. You just need to book in advance. You can go to our website www.airindia.in and you can choose the meal you want and we will make sure it is on board for you.
Don't you think that one flight from Chicago is not enough?
I fully agree with you. One flight from Chicago is not enough. The kind of support we have, and we have Indians actually supporting us, and not just Indians. I have, in fact, the entire Midwest community that supports. We have, for example, the Field Museum Director himself. He travels first class on Air India. Art Institute of Chicago, they travel on Air India. And I can name 12 other companies that frequent Air India. And you're right, definitely there is a scope for a second flight, either to Delhi or Bombay. And I'm sure the Indian community and the travel agency will welcome it with open arms.
Several agents were acknowledged and appreciated as their efforts account for a big portion of Air India's business. Some recipients who have only been in the business for a short time say they have built up a reputation among their clients. They were grateful for the recognition.
Thank you, Vandana. We really feel good about it. You know, it's trust and confidence of our own Indian community in spite of this changing time and environment. We have been winning the favor and the confidence of our community, and we are doing all our best. So we are the winner because we get the support from our own community.
Air India, because of its timings now, it is even much more easier to sell. Cost factor is also good. And Air India over the years has gained the confidence of millions of our Indians.
We'll take a short break here and there's lots more coming.